I get a lot of hate and abuses in my Instagram DM, but usually I don't respond to them because I find it really useless. But otherwise, I do respond for the people who don't abuse and just spread hate. I do respond to them. But please message something constructive. Have some good questions and have some good things to talk about. My DMs are filled with like, hey, what's up? क्या चल रहा है? क्या कर रहे हो? And like, how do you expect me to respond to all that? And what do you expect me to tell for that question? Like, what I ate for dinner? Or what did I do the whole day? What vegetables I ate? I can't respond to such messages, man. So message something good and I will respond. ये कुछ भी मतलब ये WhatsApp के some buddies we are since years and years let that they message. So कुछ भी मत message करो, message something good. Coming back, usually I don't respond to abuses and hate on Instagram, but sometimes I do. So this time was one of them because I was extremely jobless and wanted some content. So I went to the conversation to get enlightened from the Bhak's perspective on how facts work for them. That person came to fuck me over and I went there for content. Win-win for both of us. In fact, I literally thank that person for the content from this conversation.
अब आपने इसका मजा लेना चाहिए जी, आनंद लीजिए, जरा आनंद लीजिए ना, टेंशन मत रखिए ऐसी चीजों का.
And I just want to show that how a typical conversation with a bhakt goes like without any logic and facts. And it's pretty fun when you know the facts and the front person doesn't. So you're just there sitting and, observing what kind of circus they are going through. Obviously, I'm not going to reveal the name and gender of this person. It's pretty obvious. So this is the first message I get. Laugh my ass out. You got exposed. Ha 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 ha. Such a liberandu. Then I sent that confused gif. Like, you know what? India jumps to rank 10 from 47 on global cybersecurity index. China and Pakistan lag far behind. I can send an Bernal. Not a Bernal, an Bernal. Nice. Good English. For free. Thanks. Finally, something getting free. Then again, I sent that confused gif again. And like, all thanks to your IT expose video. How much app will pay you? Ha ha ha. Again, that confused gif I sent. Burns. So UN had recently released a ranking on global cybersecurity index from where India, which was in 42nd rank, came to the 10th rank, which is a good thing. India is one of the IT hubs. So our cybersecurity needs to be on point. And it's a good thing which we came on the 10th rank. Like, good, there is no doubt about that. But the amount of happiness came from that one achievement. Global cybersecurity index mein upar gaye. Otherwise, hunger index, then poverty in India, unemployment, petrol prices, LPG price, then democracy index, then press freedom index, jaye bhaad mein, only global cybersecurity index. Yeah, boy. So even in this argument which this person made, it was flawed. Because the global cybersecurity index has nothing to do with the new IT rules. Okay. In fact, the UN, who has published this article on cyber security index, has literally criticized the new IT rules because of how undemocratic it is. Like, how can you just link the cyber security index and the new IT rules just like that? Like, this person is like that cloud theory wala guy, like who does cloud computing and cloud storage. That one guy had a theory that, data is stored in the cloud and where that cloud goes, you don't know. Amazon फॉरेस्ट पे निकल गया, क्या पता भाई.
क्योंकि ये जो यूनिक आइडेंटिटी कार्ड बनाएंगे ये उससे नहीं बनाएंगे, क्योंकि आपको जाना पड़ेगा जंगलों के अंदर 100 मील दूर जाके. वहां पर आपने जब बनाया तो उस समय क्लाउड ठीक था, या आपने जो क्लाउड सीड किया था, इसका एक पर्टिकुलर क्लाउड सीडिंग होती है, जो एक क्लाउड सीड किया जाता है ऊपर, वो क्लाउड की एक सिचुएशन थी उस क्लाइमेट में. आपने जब उसको चेकिंग करना शुरू किया तो जहां पे चेक किया वहां पे क्लाउड, उस समय बारिश हो रही थी, वो फॉल्ट दे रहा, वो कहता है ये तो आदमी वो नहीं है जो अपना ये दे रहा है, आपने उसको गिरफ्तार कर लिया.
So this person has that logic. So cloud computing linked it with the literal cloud. So this one also, like cyber security is just linked it with the new IT rules. Ultimately computer पे होता है ना सब कुछ. So let's just link both of them. #Bhakt logic. But chalo bhai, anything which gives bhakts happiness, good for them. And then I get this next video, Tanay Dhumar exposed bias and slander on Sadhguru debunked. So there was this video which was made on me, an expose video of mine, and I feel really proud about it that there is an expose video of me. You also can go and check that video out. It's fun. Then again I sent that confused gif. Then I asked that person, by the way, I don't know what's that got to do with the new IT rules, would like it if you explained it. So because I knew very well that Global Cybersecurity Index and the new IT rules in the video which I have pointed out, you can go and check it out, like they aren't linked to each other. UN itself has criticized it and I know this. So I was like, chalo thode maje lete hai bhai. Then the response comes, I would if dogs understood. What is this kind of a response, man? I don't get it. Then the next message, like, oi meme lord, come with facts. Don't simply criticize the government to look cool. Come with facts, that person is telling me now. First of all, didn't read the article, just came to message me. I might have got excited with that one post. Directly come to message me. I'm like, you still didn't answer my question. Then the response was, hey, I know that's the reason I'm so confident in texting you. Confidence is high. There is no doubt about that. Confidence to ठूस के भरा हुआ है. Without the rules, motherfuckers like you will start spreading fake shit to gain clout. So shut the fuck up. Then I told that person, I'm asking you for an explanation on how, and you are just getting aggressive. Then the response is, hey, chapper. You want me to sit and write everything for you? See, I'm talking about the point, you are attacking my reaction. Liberands? Then I asked, like, so basically you can't give an explanation. And like, see, lol, you just exposed yourself. What? How did I expose myself? I have no idea. Chalo bhai, I exposed myself. Fine. Okay, tell me after explanation. What? What you want to prove? You want to prove I can give explanation or not? Or prove that IT cell will no longer ... Abusive messages, like really abusive. The other London motherfuckers, all that is pretty fine. I'm cool with that. This one was a little too bad. So I was like, let's censor this out. So not putting this abuses over here. Joker emoji. Tanmay. Who's Tanmay? They are so bad at researching that they can't even get my name right. Kya baat bhai? Same. Even I laughed when I understood that you're a joker. Chhappar, no logic in your conversation. And then I thanked that person for giving me content. Matlab, content to bhai bahut mil raha hai. Like facts went for a toss over there. And that conversation has started to get chucked of the IT rules and the Global Cybersecurity Index. And it has just started to get personal and abusive. Like everything is chucked at the side. So I have finally got my content. Then that one is like, won't prove anything. Then to that person responds, ... Very abusive. I would normally put abuses in it, but this is too fucked up. So I was like, just leave that aside. Laude, you are literally a laughing stock. No knowledge, no logic. You didn't even try to convince me about your ideology. Like, how did even ideology come into the picture? I don't know. And then I'm like, I'm just here for content. Then that person is like, now you will cut the convo in half and put your video and make me look like an idiot. Then I was like, trust me, I won't. And actually, this is the whole conversation. I have not edited out anything. Just the abuses, the disgusting abuses which were coming, that I've edited out. So that I won't be keeping. And again, to that, I'm just here for content. The response was ... Again, like disgusting and abusive. Then was like, yeah, don't. To be honest, you will just make fun of yourself. Confidence you see na, that amount of confidence na, that person is right, zero research and facts put in the thing. Confidence is like, I'll make fool of myself. Kya baat bhai? You can't prove anything to me, joker ... I'm sorry I couldn't put this, and I said that I would, and I'm really sorry I couldn't put this. So if you are watching this video, I'm really sorry. Just forgive me for that. बहुत गंदा है भाई, बहुत गंदा है. इतना गंदा नहीं डाल सकते यार YouTube पे. Tanmay, you just proved. Who is Tanmay? I think you have messaged the wrong person. Like, please, my name is Tanay. It's not Tanmay. And I probably might have wasted my time having this conversation because I am not the person you're looking for probably. It might be Tanmay Bhatt. Maybe. Tanmay, you just proved yourself that you will do anything for content. Obviously, why won't I? Like, you message nonsense to me and I won't make content out of it. Like, why on earth won't I? मतलब इतना टट्टी भरा है conversation में and you expect me to not make content out of it. Lol, your life is such a misery. Lol. इतना lol, इतनी हंसी. You are only doing this. You're only, you are, YOU''RE. Laugh my ass out. Even I exposed the shit out of you. Congratulations on your expose. OMG, what a life you're living, man. YOU''RE. Pretty sad when your kids get to know that their dad was nothing but an attention whore. Tanmay Dalal. Who is Tanmay, for fuck's sake? Who is Tanmay? I have no idea. Tanmay Bhatt, if you're watching this video, this person is calling you a dalal. Thodi marjada rakhiye. Then I was like, see, if you're right, I'm going to be insulting myself. So it shouldn't matter to you, right? Then that person is like, it does make me laugh. So I was like, cool. That's how the conversation went. And this was end of it. You see the whole conversation. Like, it started off with the IT rules and the cybersecurity index. And it just got diverged from there. And didn't come back to that place again. And the conversation had zero facts and logic and just got abusive after one point. These people, I don't know, like that confidence ke saath they come and message. If you can't handle the truth, then don't come and message na. Zabardasti क्यों message करना है? छोड़ दो ना. रहो मस्त में, your party is in power. Then just chill out. Be chill. इतना टेंशन मत लो भाई. So this is like a typical भक्त over here. Like, क्या मतलब आर्ग्यूमेंट करना है, कुछ भी ठूस दो, लॉजिक नहीं, फैक्ट नहीं, जस्ट ठूस दो भिंचोद. एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वाचिंग द वीडियो. सी यू गाइज इन द नेक्स्ट वन. बाय.